How to buy USDT on Binance. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy USDT on Binance. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Binance application on your mobile device and make sure here you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, make sure you have verified your identity and completed your KYC verification. Once you have done that, only then you will be able to buy USDT or any other crypto on Binance. Here, verification is not allowed in my country, so I couldn't do so. If you have verified your identity, then here in this page, you will need to tap on the wallet's icon at the bottom right. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Here at the top, you will see currently overview option is selected. You will need to select the spot option right next to it. Once you tap on spot, you will land on this page. Here you will need to look for USDT. Also ensure that you have enough balance in your account. If you didn't find USDT from the balances list here, you may also tap on the search icon at the right side of this balances option and then you can search for USDT. Once you search for USDT, at the bottom you will be able to see the suggestions. Tap on the USDT and after doing that, here you will be asked to choose the method. Whether you want to use P2P trading, deposit crypto or buy with USD. You can select one of these options as per your choice. Once you have made your choice, now click on it to proceed further. Here I am going to choose buy with USD option. Once you tap on the option, now you will be taken to this page. Here now you will need to specify the amount of USDT you would like to purchase. Type in the amount and after that, at the bottom if you have verified your account, you will see add a card option. You simply need to tap on that option and you will need to enter the card details. After that, you will be able to process the transaction. And once your transaction has been completed, you can check your spot wallet to see your newly acquired USDT. So by following the steps, you can easily buy USDT on Binance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.